So hello everybody, today is Sunday the 2nd of February. We come to the Ace Cafe to film a little bit of the bikes. There was quite a nice and interesting bike here, well, nicely painted bike here. And obviously people coming and going. Nice range of bikes in the area. Well, at the cafe. Monster Ducati. Triumph. This has like a camouflage type of paint. It's quite nice as well, actually. Nice bike. Like the look of it. Suzuki. That looks like a very fast bike. Hayabusa. Definitely a fast bike. Not really sure what that one is. And we have here this beautiful Indian motorcycle. Nice Triumph. That's an interesting seat there. Probably nice and soft for long rides. Nice collection bikes there. Nice little scooter. Probably doing some deliveries. Lovely Honda CB 1100. Quite a big engine on that. Looks like a 4-cylinder machine. Must be fairly powerful. We move on to this Yamaha XS750. That looks like a an older one. I wouldn't know, from the 70s or something like that. Then we have this tricycle looking thing. Well, it is a tricycle. I think, I'm not sure you actually, it's a nice bike coming in. Is that a Honda Shadow? Full of chrome, beautiful machine. Looks nice and comfortable. Right.
Oh, yeah. Right.
All right. Nice bike. So this tricycle is a Yamaha. Very nice, full of chrome, shining away. Kawasaki Z900 RS. That is a nice, lovely collection of bikes there. Well, I'm gonna be doing a little bit more recording later. I will upload this video today, but we're gonna have a look at the bikes on that side in a minute. But I'm going for a coffee and something to eat. Thank you all for joining us today at the Ace Cafe on this beautiful day. Hope you enjoyed this video today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you all next time.